Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I am unboxing the absolutely gorgeous July main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. I will leave a link listed down below in the description box if you're interested in joining. I love getting my kit every month. There are so many goodies all included in this kit. So let me go ahead and get to unboxing. I'm going to set the embellishments aside. I like to start with the paper. So this month, the collection includes a ton of the Sweet Summertime Simple Stories collection. And you can see here, this paper is gorgeous. I love the color palette. We've got some good journal elements here where you can cut these apart and use them for journaling. But I like that the back is, you don't have to use it for journaling. You can use this gorgeous pink paper on the back. We've got some good cut aparts here. That cute little picnic in the bottom, I love that. We've got a good title, Sun-Kissed Summer Dreams. I mean, these are just so cute. I like this one with the little birds on it too. That's cute. Look at the back, this nice pattern on the back. I love this. I can see maybe cutting these squares apart. Oh, so pretty. Yellow, like with polka dots. Then we've got the tags. I love the tags. And what's great about Simple Stories tags is on the back, you have the journaling spots that you can use. So if you don't want to use, the cute icons, you can use the journaling. Look at this flower paper. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got like a pink polka dot on the back. It's going to be so hard to decide which papers to use. Oh, look at this with all the cute little butterflies. Then we've got a yellow or a green, on the back with flowers. We've got this cute little scene with trees. We've got a good grid paper, sunshine and clouds. And then we've got a green polka dot on the back. This is super cute. I can even see maybe fussy cutting or punching these circles out, rearranging them. Super cute. Ooh, then we've got this stripe on the back. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it looks like there's like this stitching. Oh, and this reminds me of a picnic tablecloth. Super cute. And then cherries on the back. This month we get a ton of embellishments. Not this month. Every month we get a ton of embellishments. I'm going to first start with this. This is the Simple Stories Bits and Pieces Sweet Summertime. There are 80 cardstock die cut ephemera bits and pieces in here. I automatically see, that food truck. We've got flowers. We've got cute little sentiments in here, a bicycle. Just everything that you can think of relating to summer, little camping, popsicle, a cute little picnic scene, adorable, a hot dog. Let's see what else. We've got little bathing suits, cute little word titles. Like, I love these little banners. All these little ladybugs. Oh, this is cute. This like little charm bracelet. This is I Love Summer. We've got some lemonade. Ooh, the stuff to make s'mores. Cute. We've got lemons and cherries, some like barbecue stuff. We've got some trees, a tricycle. Oh, I dropped stuff. A sun. Let's see what else. I don't want to miss anything. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this cute little crab here. I love that. Let's see what else. Swimsuit. Just cute little house with flowers. We've got more trees. Great elements to build little scenes. So these are super cute. Oh, I love the little banners. Oh, we got some fruit, some popsicles. Oh, it looks like this one I need to punch out the center. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. And then we've got, oh, nice little banner here. We've got a little beach scene. We've got a beach ball. Little sandy beach items here. A book. Some birds or seagulls. A little bicycle. More of those little like charm bracelet sentiments. cute. We've got a burger and a cola. Those are adorable. Look at this little tree with a tire swing. Just so many cute summer icons. These are going to be a blast to use. Then we also get the Simple Stories sticker sheet. So these are the cardstock sticker icons. Sweet Summertime Collection. There are 64 stickers on here. I immediately am drawn to this one that says summer and the cute little bathing suits. We've got the cola and the burger, some of the icons that we saw in the ephemera bits and pieces. Cute little wordy bits. We've got the 12-inch sticker strips. Here for the good times, sip in summer, take a spin, the simple pleasures, the moments in between, let's play outside. Cute, cute. We also get this giant pack of foam stickers, sweet summertime, like sunshine, splash, catch and raise, good vibes, summertime, I love summertime. We've got let's go outside, chillin', hey there, sun-kissed, hello, good times. These are amazing. And that's not even all. We also get the Echo Park chipboard words and phrases. Have a great summer. I love this one on the bottom that says sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat. These are cute. S'more fun. Keep calm and enjoy the sunshine. We've got a summer bucket list. So super cute. This kit is packed. You also receive a pre-cut cut file, which I do not have in this unboxing, but you do receive a cut file as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. If you join, add my name, Melissa, to your order, and they will send you a free gift. Thanks so much. Bye.